Our BlueStar stove oven, we decided to strip it bare, take off anything that we could to help lighten this a bit because this thing weighs a ton and we want to be able to move it. So this morning I went ahead, removed the oven door, all the racks, everything off from the top. So it's more like a stove oven carcass. So now when I grab it, I can actually move it myself. Still not quite easy, but at least I can move it myself, which means we can put it on a construction blanket, move it over to here, because we have a gas guy coming in to hook this oven up tomorrow. So, now to put on the handles. While we wait for our gas guy to come to hook up the oven, put these guys on.
Yeah. Vacuum the tools.
This vacuum is actually much lighter. So we went and picked up some packages today.
Lots of new stuff.
Let's see what this one is. This might be the jars. That's not the jar.
That's an ice cube.
Yeah, so this must be the jug that I ordered. Ah! These are the coffee bean jugs. So we still
Holy schmoly.
So that means that the Gneiss jars might still be arriving later today. Got this for our coffee beans. There you go.
Very nice.
So it's a nice snug fit, actually. Whoa, it's a really tight fit. Shall I pour coffee in there?
Here's our current coffee setup. This is going to change. So there's the coffee I just bought today.
Shall I pour it in?
Sure, it might be a little tricky to pour.
I might need let me grab a scoop. I love that sound. But it's going to be too wide.
The other way. Okay. There we go. So that's like about half a pound. It's over half a pound of coffee.
So that should be
2/3 of a pound of coffee. There we go.
And it's actually a very tight seal, so you'll have to...
Perfect.
So I just got another message from Penguin Pickup that another package has arrived. And we just left there, came from there like 3 minutes ago. So I'll just go run over and pick it up. It's probably the little spice jars.
For sure.
You don't need anything, right? Okay. This thing's a bit heavy.
Glass.
Mm-hmm.
Well, let's do Kenji Lopez style. Woo! Woo!
We love your videos, by the way. We watch it all the time. Okay, shall I open this up?
Holy schmoly.
One.
Geniss magnetic spice racks.
I don't know if they're pronounced Geniss or Gneiss. Or Gneiss. I'm not sure.
Oh, maybe nice. Beauty.
Yeah.
Go show how it attaches. Beauty.
And because we actually do have a lot of spices, and go like that.
Yeah.
And we already have some here. And I got 24 of these, so maybe tomorrow I'll start filling these out. And they're up. They're all labeled. So it looks really good. I think I need to get a few more jars, but they look really good. Yes, those are all different varieties of chilies. And then these little guys. Yeah, looks good. Very happy with these. And they stick really nicely. And it looks good. Very, very happy. What did we finally get done?
The stove works.
We've waited, what, 3 weeks? It's hard finding people now.
Turns out all we had to do was contact HomeStars and people line up to do the work.
Yeah, because we've actually had 2 no-shows. And then HomeStar, and this guy showed up this evening on a Sunday night and gave us this. The gift of fire. That's our little
How godly
summer.
of him.
I know. He even said congratulations. And we can actually cook tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm not going to cook on it, are we?
No, I mean, I know it's pretty, but I don't know about you, but I've been having withdrawal, and I haven't even made bread in over 2 months. I feel like I'm out of practice. A rare earth magnet already attached with food grade glue in there, so you know it's safe. And it's a really thick glass, very durable. I mean, yes, you can try to make these yourselves, but someone's already done the job, so I don't mind that. And I love the hexagon shape. I love that you can just
make a beehive.
Beehive, yep.
Cool.
Beauty.
There we go.